Together, let's create your personalized interchangeable watch. Step 1. Explore interchangeable watches. Step 2. Begin your customization journey. Click the customization link to start your unique watch design adventure. By the way, we also offer sets with interchangeable watches. Step 3. Choose the watch. Select your favorite style from our range of exquisite watch. Step 4. Pick the bezel. Customize your unique style by choosing a bezel that matches your taste. Step 5. Personalize with crowns. Even the tiniest crowns can play a crucial role in your watch's overall look. Step 6. Select the watch strap. Opt for a fluorine rubber strap that's durable and suits your expectations. Throughout the customization process, if you change your mind, don't worry. Just click the symbol to remove the selected accessories. Once your customization is complete, click Add to Cart, fill in your shipping details, pay for your order, and then patiently wait for your one-of-a-kind watch to be delivered to your doorstep. Take action now and let your unique style shine at your fingertips.